Make sure the intake numbers are logged for this group.
Already on it, just finished the count.
Let's begin with the first bull. Heart rate is steady, put that in. Physical condition score is optimal.
All right, move up, steady now. Clear on the right, bring them through.
Looks good. The consistency is perfect.
Jane.
Agreed. Let's keep going.
The consistency here is perfect. Look at that finish. Agreed. Let's move it to cutting.
Ensure the dimensions are exact before polishing. Yes, the client requires flawless edges.
We need to ensure these panels match the design layout exactly. I'll double check the collar alignment before it moves to sewing.
Pockets and collar look precise. How is the zipper pull?
Smooth engagement.
It passes quality control.
The grain on this leather is exceptional. And the horn inlay is flawless. Approved for display.